This dance is called Kelly's Cannibals. It's a 40 count, 2 wall, improve alone light dance. Starting on our right foot with some toe struts travelling forward. So right toe strut, left toe strut, right toe strut, left toe strut. And you'll add on the next section because that was nice and easy. Bump your hips to the right, hold, left, hold, right, left, right, left. So let's just do those two sections once more. Toe struts and then into those hip bumps. Up on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, bump right, left, right, left, right, left. So obviously holds after the first two. But right, hold, but left, hold, and then 4 hip bumps. Jazz box, quarter turn. So cross right over left, step left back, quarter turn right, feet together, and repeat. Cross right, step left back, quarter turn right, feet together. Nice and easy. Just do those jazz boxes once more, half on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, close, cross, back, turn, close. Let's add that to the top. Toe struts going forwards. Off on the right. 7, 8, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, but right, hold, but left, hold, right, left, right, left. Cross, back, turn, close, cross, back, turn, close. Kick your right foot forward twice into a cha-cha-cha. There's 3 steps on the spot. Repeat with the left. Kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. Nice and easy. Just do that once more. Kicks into the cha-chas. Off on the right. 7, 8. Kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. Kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. Add that to the top. Toe struts travelling forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, but right, hold, left, hold, right, left, right, left. Cross, back, turn, close, cross, back, turn, close. Kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha. To end the dance, some Monterey turns. 2 of them, half a turn each. Point the right to the side, make that half a turn right, bring your feet together, point left to the side, and close. And repeat. Point, half a turn, point, close. 2 half-turning Montereys. Now obviously that makes the equivalent of a full turn. If you struggle to do that full turn, your non-turning alternative steps will just be stay on the spot, point, close, point, close, point, close, point, close. So you're still pointing at the same time as everybody else, but you're not turning. So let's just try those 2 half Montereys once more. Half on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Let's add that to the top, all the way through. Toe struts, off on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, but right, hold, left, right, left. Cross, back, turn, close, cross, back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, Monterey, half, Monterey, half. And hopefully you're all facing the back wall. So that is your dance. And apart from those cha-chas, there are no other anti-counts in it at all. But it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Toe struts, off on the right. 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, but right, left, right, left, cross back, turn, close, cross back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, Monterey, half, half, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, but right, left, cross back, turn, close, cross back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, Monterey, half. So that is your dance and your walk-through. Let's give it a go to the music. Right, left, cross back, turn, close, cross back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, toe strut, right, left, cross back, turn, close, cross back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, cha-cha-cha, turn, Monterey, toe strut, left, cross back, turn, close, kick, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, cha-cha-cha, Monterey, half, toe strut, right, left, cross back, turn, close, cross back, turn, kick, cha-cha-cha, kick, cha-cha-cha, Monterey, half, toe strut, bucks, jazz, kicks, Monterey, toe struts, once upon a time there were bucks, when all the cannibals jazz box, kicks, Monterey. Once upon a time there were cannibals, there are cannibals anymore. Yeah, Daddy, see a goodie or a baddie, that's why the people go to war. Once upon a time there were cannibals, there are no cannibals anymore. Hope you managed that one.